What's up? What's up? What's up? You got the original Lone Wolf coming at you. I got a brief little video. I ain't gonna make it too long because I'm in the process of trying to put together a live stream that I'm gonna do before they snatch down my channel. I'm gonna upload this video twice. I'm gonna upload it on my main channel and I'll also upload it on my backup channel too. I've already had people tell me that they could not pull up my my backup channel. And like I told the sister, I think it's because I haven't uploaded a video yet. So I'm going to upload this video to my backup channel as well. But listen to this here. You have something that is called, excuse me. You have something that's called statutes at large, right? And this is coming from the first session of the 43rd Congress, okay? And it's titled 70. Well, it's titled LXX. And in Roman numerals, LXX is the number 70, okay? L is 50, X is 10, X is 10. So that's technically 7 if you put it in a numeral setting, like in a digit setting. But it's it comes up under title LXX. And you can find this under like I said, the statutes at large, which is coming from the the first session of the 43rd Congress, right? Now, Title 70 or Title LXX, Chapter 4 is entitled Crimes Against Justice. And the purpose of this video is to show you all or provide you with some sort of lawful means that you can provide any clerk in America who refuses to take paperwork such as affidavits, motions, evidence that may come in the form of paperwork to substantiate whatever court case you're dealing with. Now, in my particular case, it was with traffic court, okay? Here in Chicago / Cook County, they don't want to take your paperwork, you know, affidavits and whatever other stuff that you may want to submit with your tickets for a case that you may have coming up for traffic court. When you go into the lower level of the Daily Center, which is located at 50 West Washington, okay, which is where the traffic cases are heard for the city of Chicago. That's where all of the court cases are heard. When you go to those clerks, they do not want to take your paperwork. They always tell you to submit the paperwork, you know, the day that you go to court, which is unlawful. As a matter of fact, under Title 70, Section 4, it's entitled Crimes Against Justice, Destroying Public Records. That's Section 5403. 5407 is conspiracy to defeat enforcement of laws. And then Section 5408 is entitled Destroying Record by Officer in Charge, right? Now, the reason for why I'm bringing this up is because it's very important. You know, oftentimes you'll have clerks refuse your paperwork for one reason or another, and whatever reason they give you is unlawful, right? So seeing that I have been through that process before with traffic court and how those clerks didn't want to take my my documents, with the case with the traffic incident that just happened about a little over a month ago, where they pulled me over for expired tags and no insurance. And it's funny because he didn't write the fucking ticket for no driver's license, even though I didn't provide him one. And they supposed to write you a ticket for failure to show a driver's license, even if your shit ain't suspended or revoked, right? But that's neither here nor there. So Dorothy Brown is no longer the clerk of the court of Cook County. You know what I'm saying? We got this new chick named Iris Martinez. So what I did was I just typed up a simple notice directed to Iris Martinez. I put the certified mail number on there. I put all of my information at the top and what have you. And it goes, I, Tavares Maurice of the Tankersley family, am reaching out to you because I believe you are the woman playing the role of clerk of the court of Cook County. Because keep in mind, they all playing a fucking role. I don't give a fuck if it's Joe Biden or you know what I'm saying, Kamala Harris. They all playing the fucking role, right? I say I'm reaching out to you to make you aware that on May the 12th of this year, I went to the clerk's office in the lower level of the Daily Center for traffic court. I attempted to enter documents such as affidavits into a upcoming traffic case, and one of the clerks working at the window refused to timestamp or enter them into the case. See Exhibit A. Now, Exhibit A is, hold on. Exhibit A is going to be the tickets that I entered. If I'm not mistaken. Damn, I'm missing a part. I'm missing a part of what of it. But Exhibit A was the copy of the tickets, and Exhibit B was an affidavit. So I say, I attempted to enter these, into the case, see Exhibit A. I was told to give all my information to the judge the day of the court. As you realize, this is unlawful. I have took the liberty of sending you a copy of Title LXX, which is really Title 7D, 70, Chapter 4, Crimes Against Justice, for you to take a look at. Now, I'm sure you're a wonderful clerk and a great person overall, but your colleagues are not allowed to break the law. I have sent my affidavits to be filed into the case entitled Exhibit A. I have made 2 copies, one for the court to review and one to be sent back to me with the regular stamp showing the date it was received. I appreciate you for taking care of this matter for I. Okay, so basically in a nutshell, I sent her the copy of the law. Here's the second page that goes with that. And I signed my name. And you can barely see the fingerprint over my name. It didn't come out too real good clear on my copy. But the actual copy I put the fingerprint on, that's the copy I gave to them. Okay. I also submitted, and just let me go into this just real quick. I'm not going to read it all. But Section 5403 says, every person who willfully destroys or attempts to destroy or with intent to steal or destroy, takes and carries away any record, paper, or proceeding of a court of justice filed or deposited with any clerk or officer of such court, or any paper or document or recorded, filed, or deposited in any public office or with any judicial or public officer shall, without reference to the value of the record, paper, document, or proceeding so taken, pay a fine of not more than $2,000 or suffer imprisonment at hard labor for not more than 3 years or both. Right? Now, these ain't the lone wolf words. Now, these is the words of Congress. Okay, because as I said, that's where it comes from. It comes from the first section of the 43rd Congress. This was back in the fucking 1800s when they wrote this shit. So, you know what I'm saying? When you submit that to people, like when you submit that to a clerk, tell them, hey man, don't get mad at me. Go dig up them old dudes that died a long time ago and smack them around for writing that shit, because I didn't write it. Now, another thing that you can refer to too is 18 USC 641, 18 USC 1361, and also 18 USC 2071, section 2071A. Okay, so I'm just making this video to point out to you all that if you ever attempted to enter any type of documents into any case, I don't care if it's criminal or civil, because keep in mind, traffic court is civil, it's not criminal. That's why you don't go to jail. You know what I'm saying? Or at least you ain't supposed to, because if you do, that's a crime too. Like, cops can't arrest you just because you don't have no fucking driver's license, or just because you don't have no insurance or expired tags and all that bullshit. They can't arrest you for that, because those are civil matters. Those are contracts that you entered into with someone. You know what I'm saying? So I'm making this little video just to express to you all that under no circumstances, are clerks of any court, whether if it's a federal court, a state court, a district court, I don't give a fuck, right? Under no circumstances are these people supposed to reject your paperwork, because if so, they can be sued for that. You know what I'm saying? And they can go to jail. So once again, it's the original Lone Wolf coming at you with a little piece of the law. I don't want to make this video long, because I am trying to work on putting together a live stream with a couple of people that are on Discord, so we can discuss some things a little bit further. But protect yourselves. You know what I'm saying? And I do love y'all, and I do have much love and respect for the brothers and sisters that are out here in this fight. Peace out.